Breakfast bowls are a great option when you are on a detox in order to start living a healthier lifestyle. They contain lots of healthy nutrient-rich foods and superfoods, and make it easy to have a well-balanced meal in the morning. Smoothie bowls. The first type of breakfast bowl you can do when you want to try a food detox is a smoothie bowl. The reason this is such a good place to start is because, like regular smoothies, it allows you to really pack in all the superfoods. Everything is blended up, so it isn't like you're trying to eat an entire salad with these same superfoods. Plus, as long as you have enough sweet fruits in there, you won't really taste the veggies much. A smoothie bowl is similar to a smoothie you drink, but it is made a little thicker. It is also perfect for topping with superfoods like acai berries and chia seeds. Quinoa bowls. Many people are also trying the quinoa breakfast bowls, which allow you to have quinoa, a natural grain that contains a lot of protein and other nutrients. The quinoa acts as the base of the bowl, followed by some other healthy ingredients. You can make it a sweet quinoa bowl by adding lots of fruit and raw honey, plus some cacao nibs, or you can go savory with your choice of veggies and some crumbled cheese on top. There is really no right or wrong way to do it, but make sure all foods are natural and fresh for the purpose of the detox. Yogurt bowls. This is a really simple breakfast bowl you can put together that has lots of healthy ingredients for your detox, nothing processed, and will be easy to make. You can really control the fat and calories of the bowl if that is important to you by using low-fat versions of the yogurt, or you can skip that and just go for all organic ingredients. The yogurt bowl naturally starts with some yogurt, but Greek yogurt is highly preferred since it contains more nutrients. Add to it anything you like with yogurt, such as fresh fruit, oats or homemade granola, chia seeds, and raw honey. You can even add quinoa on the bottom of the yogurt to make it more filling. Remember to add in as many superfoods as you can, as these will help you with your detox efforts. If you liked this video, share the love, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.